Hit yourself. Get it. Get it.
I haven't heard of no shit yet.
Well,
that's usually my favorite when they come over this and look down. Oh,
having the stick shift's definitely an advantage here.
Yeah.
I missed it. Didn't make it very far. There it goes. Oh.
Oh, he went way deeper than the last guy.
That's what she said.
Oh, motor's not happy. Do they even have a winch?
Yeah, they're the one that didn't work on them yesterday.
Yeah, they broke it yesterday. They destroyed it.
Oh, he got it. He made out of the hole. Oh, digging holes. He's digging some real nice holes for the trucks. And he just keeps getting deeper and deeper. Did you guys do something to make him mad at you?
Remember how I said the water wasn't that deep? It's getting deeper.
Yeah, he must really hate you guys.
Oh! Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, he's moving. We'll see where he goes.
Right there.
Right there, yeah. That's about where people are stopping.
Quitter.
Good, he's getting out with a winch already.
Cannonball!
Jump in, jump in!
Oh, they're not getting started.
Yeah. We didn't think he was going to go.
Oh God! Oh no!
No!
Roll over!
Get in there, guys.
That driver is underwater.
Yep.